Most Americans aren't bad with money. They're just stuck in debt loops they were never taught how to escape. Credit cards, student loans, car payments. And the longer you stay in debt, the more money you lose to interest. But some Americans escape debt much faster than others. Today, I'll show you exactly how they do it, and how you can copy their strategy step by step. Stay till the end, because the last method works even if your income is low. Debt isn't just a money problem. It's a system problem. Most people try to escape debt using willpower. But willpower fails. Americans who escape debt faster don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. Let's break down the exact systems they use. Step 1, they get crystal clear on their debt. The first thing successful debt escapers do is simple. They list every single debt. Credit cards, loans, balances, interest rates, minimum payments. No guessing. No avoiding. Clarity removes fear and turns chaos into a plan. You can't escape what you refuse to look at. Step 2, they attack high-interest debt first. Americans who escape debt faster understand one rule. Interest is the enemy. They focus on credit cards, payday loans, high-interest personal loans, while still paying minimums on everything else. Every extra dollar goes toward the highest interest rate. This is called the avalanche method. And mathematically, it saves the most money. Step 3, they automate payments. Debt freedom doesn't happen by remembering due dates. Smart Americans automate minimum payments, extra payments, bill reminders. Automation removes late fees, missed payments, decision fatigue. When payments happen automatically, progress becomes inevitable. Step 4, they cut silent money leaks. Fast debt payoff isn't about extreme sacrifice. It's about stopping leaks. Subscriptions and used apps, food delivery fees, impulse spending. Most Americans find hundreds of dollars a month just by cutting waste, without changing their lifestyle. That money goes straight to debt. Step 5, they use credit strategically, not emotionally. People stuck in debt use credit emotionally. People escaping debt use credit strategically. They stop using high-interest cards, avoid new debt, keep utilization low, don't open unnecessary accounts. No rewards, no points, no temptation, just control. Step 6, they use tools, not willpower. Americans escaping debt faster use tools like AI budgeting apps, bill trackers, payment optimizers, spending alerts. These tools track every dollar, warn before overspending, optimize payments automatically. The less you think, the faster you win. Step 7, they create small wins. Debt freedom feels impossible until progress becomes visible. That's why many Americans celebrate small payoffs. Close one account at a time. Track balances dropping monthly. Momentum is powerful. Progress fuels consistency. The real secret. Americans who escape debt faster don't make more money. They build better systems. Debt disappears when spending is controlled, payments are automated, interest is attacked, habits are consistent. No hacks, no shortcuts, just systems. Debt isn't permanent, but staying disorganized makes it feel that way. Fix the system, and debt starts shrinking automatically. If you want simple debt payoff systems, AI money tools, strategies Americans are using right now, Subscribe to the money system. Because escaping debt isn't about luck. It's about systems that work quietly.